students, last class we have studied that how we can draw a box, a rectangle or a square by giving the logo commands. So that I have explained you that you have to forward it 200 steps or 100 steps, then you have to take a right turn 90-degree, then again forward 200, right turn 90-degree. In this way you have to write the for the 4 turns you have to write this so many commands if you want to draw a box. So today I will tell you another and easy way to use how means for drawing a box, that is called as repeat statement. This statement we use whenever we want to repeat a set of commands. Just like I have given here command repeat 4 means 4 number of steps means 4 times. What I have to do 4 times? Forward 200 steps and right turn 90-degree. So by using this command, if I copy, let me type command here in the command box, and when I press enter, okay, so see, in one command only the box can be drawn. So this repeat statement is very good and it is very useful whenever you want to repeat a particular set of commands. Okay, so let me tell you some more different shapes that you can draw using this repeat command and very quickly. Okay, so let me give the command in the command box CS, so the screen will be cleared. Now you see the next command I am giving. I will give the command repeat. How many times? Suppose I want to repeat 20 times. What I want to draw a circle of radius 45 and then I want forward some steps, say 20. Okay, I want to draw 20 circles by moving the turtle 20 steps forward. Okay, and then also I want that right turn 5-degree. Okay, so just see the command, what this command will do. Let me copy this again and paste in the command box and press enter. So you can see how the logo turtle will draw a line. Okay, means how it draws shapes. So similarly, if you want to change something, so let me change something. May you say right turn 100, right turn suppose 45. Now you can check the shapes. Okay, like that. So very beautiful shapes you can draw it. Okay, let me clear screen and again I am giving this command. Now you see the effect. Okay, so this way you can beautifully draw figures on logo screen. So this class I am giving you that much only. You practice the repeat statement. Okay, and then after you can also do some calculation. That is very easy. You simply give the print command like this, print, print, then any calculation, suppose 25 plus 50. Okay, so when you give this command you will get the result in the command input box only. So 25 plus 50, 75. Okay, so this is today's work. You do it. Okay, thank you.